Castor oil is a versatile and widely used natural remedy with several health benefits. Here are some facts about castor oil, its health benefits, and how to use it. Source: Castor oil is derived from the seeds of the castor bean plant, Ricinus communis, which is native to tropical regions. The oil is extracted through a pressing process. Health benefits: laxative. Castor oil is a powerful natural laxative and is often used to relieve constipation. It works by stimulating the muscles of the intestines, promoting bowel movements. Anti-inflammatory. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties. It can be applied topically to reduce inflammation and alleviate pain associated with conditions such as arthritis and muscle soreness. Skin health. Castor oil is moisturizing and can help soothe dry, irritated skin. It is commonly used in skincare products to hydrate and nourish the skin, as well as to treat conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Hair growth. Massaging castor oil into the scalp can promote hair growth and improve the overall health of the hair. It nourishes the hair follicles, strengthens the hair shaft, and helps prevent breakage and split ends. Antimicrobial. Castor oil has antimicrobial properties that can help fight off bacteria, viruses, and fungi. It can be used topically to treat minor cuts, scrapes, and fungal infections. How to take it: oral use. For constipation relief, adults can take 2 tablespoons of castor oil mixed with a non-carbonated beverage on an empty stomach. It is best to start with a lower dose and gradually increase if needed. It is not recommended for long-term use or for children without consulting a healthcare professional. Topical use. Castor oil can be applied directly to the skin or hair. For skin care, massage a small amount of castor oil into the skin as needed. For hair care, apply castor oil to the scalp and hair, leave it on for a few hours or overnight, and then wash it out with shampoo. Safety precautions. While castor oil is generally safe for most people when used as directed, some individuals may experience allergic reactions or side effects such as nausea, cramping, or diarrhea. It is important to use castor oil cautiously and consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or underlying health conditions. Overall, castor oil is a natural remedy with a wide range of health benefits, but it's essential to use it responsibly and in moderation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. By doing so, you'll turn on notifications and always be the first to see our new content.